Hi everybody, welcome back. In this guide, I'll show you the procedure to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. So to do it, you have to follow the steps. First of all, open up your browser. Next, you want to simply type in this statement that is IDM extension not showing in Chrome. After which, you could see the first link that appears. You want to click that out, IDM extension. Next, you'll be then taken to this field. You want to scroll down and here you'll be able to see the instructions as well. You could go and follow that, or else you simply want to click this link that is IDM Integration Module. You want to click that out. It will then go ahead and take you to this field. Now, as you could see, this extension is no longer available. It does not follow best practices for Chrome extension. So this is not available, but if in your case it's available, you simply have to go ahead and click on the Add to Chrome button. And as you can see, this is not a fake one. You can see the users as well over here. And this is how you could go ahead and add it to your Chrome. And you could also read the terms as this no longer exists. So maybe this is the reason why you're unable to get it as well. So you could look for any other alternative extensions. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.